testing the CYNOVA mic adapter and the mic very close to my mouth, almost touching, probably just an inch apart, and it should be blown way out. I can see the clipping on the meter really close in front of my face, but I'm going to try to do the update and see if it improves. Okay, here we are testing the DJI Osmo Action again, the CYNOVA mic, and this is the latest firmware. The date is December 7th, 2019, and hopefully there's less clipping. Hopefully it's a lot clearer. So the mic now is about an inch from my mouth. You can tell because my face is right in front of the lens here. But let's play this back and hear what it sounds like. Cool. Alright, so that was the audio with this $9 mic. One I'm always talking about in the videos, $9 Amazon Dealy mic. And it sounded good after the mic update. So now I'm using this, that's a Rode Video Micro mic, and I wonder how it sounds after the latest DJI firmware update. Too bad I didn't do it before. I wasn't thinking, but I never planned I'd be doing a video for this. I'm just listening to it for myself, and this audio is so much improved. I'm whispering here, people over there.